been a couple of days. I had to leave for work for my real job. Went up to beautiful sunny Indiana, South Bend, and then Chicago. And it was, I don't know why people live up there. I mean, hats off to you if you live up there, but man, it was cold. It was cold. Anyway, I'm back. Good news. We have got some parts that have arrived. New pulley. That's what a new pulley's supposed to look like. That's what a pulley's not supposed to look like. So, got the new pulley. I'm gonna get that installed so that I can get it running. I haven't got the hose yet, which isn't great, but at least I can get this thing fired up and running, get that coolant flowing. The other thing that I did notice is, get the light on here, is that leak from the power steering pump definitely is coming from the top. So that is actually, I don't know why that light keeps turning off. There we go. That leak is definitely from the top. So the good news with that is I'm going to get in there as well. Hopefully I just need to tighten that down, because if that's the case, and that's where it's losing all of its pressure from, win. Big win. Because I was worried I was going to have to pull that thing out and rebuild it or send it away to get rebuilt. So I think let's get the pulley on. Let's get the belt back on. Let me get that tightened down on the power steering pump. New pulley. In she goes. With us being on a budget build, you know, not wanting to spend too much money on this vehicle, I just went ahead and got the one pulley. The rest of them seem to be okay. I'll probably just spray some juice in these as well and let them do their thing. If we get to a point where we need to replace those, we will. Of course, that's not this size. But is it this size? Yes, it is a 14, because of course it is. Still no news back from Snap-on about the tools. I don't know, maybe we'll get there. Alright, tighten this up. I'll get the belt back on. Hopefully this hose is supposed to be here, I don't know, I think Monday or Tuesday. It was coming in from Colorado. So hopefully that gets in here. Well, although with where they're coming in, it's probably going to be later than that, but we'll see. It's all good. I did also get the new O2 sensors. Of course, not being here this week, I'm a little bit behind on getting all of that done as well. So that's not great. All right, 14. Okay, that is on. What size was this? That was a 15, I think, to get that off. I do not know where that socket is. All right, let's revert back this way then, I suppose. All right, question. Did I get a new belt? No. Should I have got a new belt? Probably. Why didn't I get a new belt? I don't know. Stop yelling at me. And around there and around that super sketchy piece, and then down like so, and then up and around here and down through there. I think that's right. All right, that is correct. Okay, so belt is back on, exactly where it needs to be. I'm gonna get down in here next, figure out what size that bolt is, but Let me try and snug it down first and see what that does. What size do you reckon that is? I reckon that's a 15, maybe. Let me find the right tool for that. All right, I've got a 3/4 because I don't know. Let's see if I mean, I don't have much space in here, but I do have space on. I mean, it tightened a little bit. You think that's enough to make it stop leaking? Injury! I just knocked the hood down on my head. Hang on. Oh, that was unnecessary. Don't worry, I'm okay. There's be a good bump on the back of my head. What the hell? All right, back to what the hell we were doing. I don't have the leverage on this. Let me see if I can get in here with something else. Okay, contraption acquired. Is it going to make it on? Yes, it is. Do I have more leverage? Yes, I do. I wonder, is that supposed to have a copper washer underneath it? Would it hurt if I put a copper washer underneath it? I don't know. Maybe we'll take this journey together. Let me undo what I just did. Hopefully that just comes off. And it does. Certainly doesn't look like it, but it does look like it could need one. So, brake clean. Perfect. Now the question is, do I have the right size copper washer? And I think the answer to that is yes. I'm just hoping that that helps. I don't know if it will. But you know what? Let's see. It's the worst that can happen if it doesn't. It doesn't work. That is my mantra at the moment. If it doesn't work, have we actually gone backwards? One more turn. Elbow click engaged. All right, let's give it one more spray down. Let's give it a blow of air to dry it off. And let's see if that does the trick. I hope it does. Because like I say, man, if that's all that needed, that is a win. Let me get this thing started up. It's going to smoke. I forgot about all that smoke that's going to come out of it. But let's get it started up. Just want to make sure it's running okay. Now that I've got that new belt on. New belt. I don't have a new belt on. I've got the old belt. The new pulley. Where is that silly? That's silly. I'm not going to do that. That's on. It's fine. I'm going to crack on with the other stuff. I change my mind too much. I don't know how my wife puts up with me, or why she puts up with me, quite honestly, but here we are.